Hey team, Neil here, CT Computers. This is just a quick video on the build process, which is part of our PC build course. So just connecting the 24-pin connector now. Next up is the SATA cable for the SSD, which is actually in the back of the PC. And just before you plug this in, there's a little tab there in the middle. And just make sure that lines up with the USB 3 connection on the motherboard, because if you put that the wrong way around, it's going to bend the pins. So yep, just connecting that on there now. And just we've done another video in regards to the front panel connections there. And yeah, we've slotted the cables through the middle there so it looks a little nicer and tidier. And yeah, we're connecting up the SATA cable to the SSD, and the next part is the power, which is connected to the SSD to power that up.